Yo, what is up, boys? This is Aiden, and welcome back to another Roblox Grow a Garden video. A massive new update just dropped here within Grow a Garden, and it comes with a fresh batch of insane working codes as of July 2025. So today, I'm going to be showing you every single brand new code, plus I'm going to be giving away an exotic ancient seed pack, including dinosaur eggs, shekels, game passes, and so much more to everyone who follows the instructions here within this video. Before we dive in though, go ahead and do this real quick. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and of course, turn on all notifications. This really does help out the channel. And speaking of helping out the channel and helping out yourself, make sure you watch all the way to the end of this video without skipping, because not only are you going to unlock every single working code here within this new Grow a Garden update, but you're also going to discover a secret surprise somewhere here in this video that could earn you any single item of your choice from the shop, whether it's seed packs, sugar apples, candy blossoms, or even the rare bone blossoms. It's going to be absolutely insane, so make sure you watch through this entire video. But if you do want to enter in the giveaway that I just previously mentioned, make sure to comment your Roblox username down below and let me know next to it which item or reward you want the most here within Grow a Garden. And again, of course, make sure you've liked and subscribed. I'm going to be checking that. Let's start by just opening up the game and then clicking this little settings icon up in the top left. And once you do this, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see this redeem code box right here. That's where we're going to enter in every single one of these working codes. So make sure you type them in exactly how I show them, because they are case sensitive. All right, enough wasting time. Let's go ahead and get into the first code. We're going to start with a strong one. This one is Prehistoric Expansion Soon 10. This one is a very long one, so keep that in mind. That is going to be PrehistoricExpansionSoon10. This is all caps, no spaces, and yes, I know this one is long. Make sure you go ahead and spell this one right. But this one celebrates the upcoming Prehistoric expansion, and it's going to give you some powerful rewards to help kickstart your garden. Simply go ahead and hit claim just like so. And once you redeem it, comment below if you got the reward. This one has a very limited amount of uses, so make sure you use this one quickly. Are you guys ready for the second code? If not, screenshot that last one. But this next code is Exotic Ancient Seed Pack 1. Yes, I know this is another long code. And this one is all caps, no spaces, and there is a number at the end. It's going to be EXOTICANCSEEDPACK1. I know these codes are long. I didn't make them. Blame the devs for that. But this one is going to be giving out limited time exotic seed packs, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. These seeds can grow into some of the strongest plants in the entire game. If you are having any issues and it's saying like invalid code, I recommend being in a private server when redeeming these codes, because it does help avoid glitches or errors, especially after the big updates. But type this one in next and you're good to go. For our next code, we're going to get a little mystical. This one is Luna Glow 10. That is LUNAGLOW10. And this code is a little older, but it does drop bonus glow themed items or resources that are very exclusive to this update cycle. Try it. Let me know what you get from it. If it doesn't work, this one is a little bit older, so keep that in mind. But as of earlier today, it is still being reported that this code is working. So type this in, it's all caps, no spaces, with 10 at the end of it. This next code is insane for the shekels. Type in 14, that is 14 billion, BILLION. This is actually, once again, a little bit of an older code, but it is a thank you from the devs for hitting a massive play milestone, and you'll also get a burst of currency and in-game items from typing this one in. It's absolutely insane. I recommend typing this one in ASAP. I've already redeemed this one, but it is still working. For our fifth code here in this video, we do have a new drop alert. This is another limited time code, and it's usually gone pretty quick, so I would redeem it immediately after watching this video, or redeem it right now if you're watching this video and typing in these codes at the exact same time. This one is going to be 21 MCCU. It stands for 21 million concurrent users. And once again, another huge milestone code. Congrats to the devs for this, and thank them for this awesome code because it gives some pretty good drops. Now, I want to take a brief moment to talk about those surprises that I did mention earlier before we dive into those next codes. If you're still watching, and I would hope you should be, comment this secret word. It's going to be Garden Master 25. This is going to tell me that you are eligible for the surprise giveaway that I did mention. I'm going to be gifting 5 random viewers anything they want from the Grow a Garden shop, whether it's the new Dino Egg, Beanstalks, Game Passes, Candy Blossoms, whatever you want, I got you. Just comment down what you want, as well as that Garden Master 25 code that I did just mention. Again, keep in mind, you do need to go ahead and like the video for this, subscribe with all notifications on, and watch all the way through, as well as comment that username with that secret word so I know who you are and who to gift. Now, before I do reveal a few bonus codes, here's a quick reminder. All of these codes are current as of July 2025, and I'll be updating new ones as they release, so make sure to stay subscribed for the latest Grow a Garden leaks, news, and code drops. And yes, I do have a brand new XP farm video coming out real soon that is going to help you level up faster than ever. And that's going to tie into the next batch of codes. So don't miss that next video. It's going to be absolutely insane. Okay, moving on to our next bonus code. I know you guys are excited for this one right here. Once again, if you don't know how to type in these codes, hit this little settings gear up in the very top, scroll down, find the redeem code section right here, and we do have a few bonus codes to go over. This first one is going to be Growth Spree 25. This one is from a limited weekend challenge, and it still works for some people, but if you didn't redeem it this weekend, there's a chance it might not work. It is going to be GROWTHSPREE25. This is all caps, no spaces. Moving on to bonus code number 2. If you're a fan of Beanstalks and Bone Blossoms, this one is perfect for you. It's going to be Bean Blossom Love. Kind of a cringe code in my opinion, but it does still work and it is perfect. It is going to be BEANBLOSSOMLOVE. This is all caps, no spaces. I recommend doing this one ASAP as well because it is limited uses. Now, lastly, I do want to say thank you for the crazy support on these Grow a Garden videos. Because of you, we are building one of the strongest Roblox communities out there. And I'm going to keep these code drops, giveaways, and surprises coming every single week. So make sure you turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Share this video with your friends who play Grow a Garden so they can also get these awesome codes, or don't, just so you have a better garden than them, completely up to you. And comment which seed pack, egg, or game pass you're trying to get next. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. You're an absolute legend if you did make it this far. And I'll see you guys in the next video real soon. Peace.